Not did this before, so it's all new to me. I'm going to be talking about transfers and chalk paste and how easy they are. Love doing signs, making signs, and with these chalk transfers, it makes it a lot easier than trying to do it with the Cricut. I have a hard time with the Cricut and trying to get everything lined up just right, and I have issues. Y'all know I have issues. So this makes it a lot easier because it's all together and I don't have to worry about transferring and pulling it back up and making sure everything's aligned. Today I'm going to working on some Father's Day gifts. I know it's a little late. Sorry, trying to work there. So I have I'm the dad, which is backwards and we can't read it, but it says I'm the dad and that's why. And I'm going to put it on a surface. So the first thing is I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to write the word back on it. There's two different sides to the paper it comes on. One's soft, one's glossy and one's not. The glossy side goes with the sticky. So on the back, I'm going to write back so I don't lose my place. I'm going to take the stencil and I'm going to fuzz the stencil. I just got a terry cloth, just a little cloth, just to make it not so sticky. I'm going to pull it up a few times so it's not sticky. And then I'm going to stick it on the surface. I'm going to line it up on the surface. I'm just going to look at it. I'm not going to measure this time. Just going to stick it on just like that. And that's it. Lined up. Then I'm going to grab the paste. Take the squeegee. Get a little paste on there. Just a little. I'm just going to spread it on it. Make it even. And it's kind of like spreading, I want to say, I know the dogs are barking. Spreading icing. When I do it, that's what I think about. So, grab a little more. They're shooting fireworks off. I'm sorry, guys. Neighbors are shooting fireworks and the dog's not liking it. So they're barking. You could do this more than one color, but I'm just going to do it one color because I have issues when a different color, when you scrape it all off and put it back in a container, so I can't do that. My brain don't allow it. Oh, sorry.
Can you see it?
I can.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm just spreading it on there and making it all even and taking all the extra off. Scraping the extra off, and the extra, if it's just one color, you can put it right back in the container so you don't waste. And then you just pull it up. And I'm not perfect because I'm new at this. But it still looks cute. I'm done with that. That little oopsie right there, I would just take my little board scrubby and I'll scrub it up real quick and it'll clean that off. It'll be easy. But if I do it here, I'm going to smudge it and make a mess. If it's all messed up, you can just take it and scrub it all off and start all over again. That's why I like these. Is it showing? No.
Keep talking.
I'm going to do another one. I have one. I got a mirror from, I don't know if it's from Walmart or Dollar Tree. Can't remember where I bought it from. But I'm just going to put another on there. I cleaned it off with a wet one earlier. And I'm just going to grab some paste and I'm just going to wipe this off first with my wet one. And then just spread a little on there. And there's 4 mini stencils on side the one stencil with this. I'm going to post this link on the page where you can buy them if you're interested. I also have mini try-its at twice as nice, and I have them at the Foundry if you're interested in that. Any questions, just let me know. Hey Thelia, Mama sees you. How cool is that? Sorry, try not to get Frank in there.
Get that.
That makes it easy. Don't have to worry about lining everything up.
Clean up.
All right, to clean them up, you just take your board scrub and just spritz water on them and clean them up. I'm not gonna do it here because I'll get it in the carpet. I like to take a wet one and just double check and get everything up. I clean the squeegee with a wet one. And like I said, there's 4 mini stencils in that one pack of the Dad. It's called Dad's Life. So I have 2 on hand if you're interested. The cost and everything will be online. It comes with this one also. I didn't finish it yet, but it says Dad Bod. I think I picked this up online. I have a couple of the this kind of surfaces, and then I picked up, can you see that? Picked these up online, and you just do them the same way. I got a couple examples of the stuff I've did so far. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there you go. So it said, when life give you lemons, and I was going to put a little lemon in the middle there. Make something sweet. I picked that tray up at Walmart for less than $10. I made this one. I made this one, but I'm not finished yet. Farm Sweet. The lemon is raised beads with gel beads I got from 44 Marketplace Farm. Frank's gonna put little holes in them, and I'm gonna put them in a while. And then I have another stencil coming. It's a firework one. I'm gonna get that one online as soon as it comes in. This one's a cool one. Red, white, and blue. It's coming up. Thanks. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.